Hello guys, welcome to Trade with Tariq. Today, 15th of November, Friday. Now today our first trade is regarding the our model, the Usd-Jpy yen, and here we start the trade, and I just put the trade at my 200k account, which was belong from a client, and the account was in loss. So here is our trade setup, and here is the trade target and stop loss in front of you. Trade just started at the account, live at the account, and now you can see that the same trade we just opened at our we posted in our premium section as well. Nobody can show you that the live trading options. You can see trade trigger as well, and what was it's our ATM model regarding that, and we have a clear bias, and we our target just 2 hour or our next last 4 hour candle high is our target. Let me see what will be happen in that trade. Everything in front of you, but keep in mind you have to follow the proper rules. Risk management, we have the CSID in 1 hour 1 minute time frame, and we have a clear market structure shift as well. Let's see what will be happen in that trade. And our trade in my trade in loss. So let's see. I just put the stop loss just 20 pip, and target the 4 candle high. The 2 RR is the best one RR for us, because all of my premium member are getting and making the money because they are doing the live trade with us. So trade started. Let's see what will be happen, because we want to tell you about the reality. If a signal provider give you that type of the live screen, then definitely you have to join them. Trade on, and my trade also in profit. No, in the 15 minute I'm watching the clear the Tetra soup. No, I'm waiting for the closing of candle, and just the 1 minute remaining right now. No, just candle close above the lows. No, I'm waiting for that what will be happen with my trade. So let's see. And you if you met all the target, then definitely you will hold it clearly, and then definitely you can make a big money with that. Now everything in front of you. Let's see what will be happened. Now here you are watching a trade just going boom now in the 1 hour profit, and you can see the premium member making the money, and we are posting the things in our this signal was posting in the public session also as a chart. Now let's see what will be happen. Here we go, trade going to profit, and 2 hour also set, but as I told you that 2 hour not fixed, but due to rule our for the target is the 4 hour candle high. Let's see what will be happened here. Now trade just going to upside, and we are just booming. So see how we are mentioned and how we are describing all the things in our VIP section, because we update them step by step, and we just tell them that how to make the trade and how they are profitable with us. So USD going boom. Now you can see we have clear SMT, clear order block, 15 minute candle close above, 5 minute order block, 3 minute order block as well, and 2 minute and 1 minute as well. Order block validity when candle just take the low, the range of take the low of the range and take the high of the range and close above, then we can call it the order block, and you can call it the turtle soup as well. There are 2 types of turtle soup. One about is just if the candle close below and next candle close above, then it's called the turtle soup. Now see how we are the risk free with that. One trade one time is our strategy. That's why we are profitable. Doesn't mean that we have to put the 3 4 5 trades in a day. No, never. We just trade once. We have a specific time in New York session, we have specific model, and we have specific rules. Just commit that, just give the 2 and 3 hour to us, and then definitely you will be in profit. Nothing, there is no need to sit in front of PC for all the day and hold your trade. When you doesn't have any target, you doesn't know is that if you are holding the trade, you will get the profit or not. See, still watching the GBP USD is also coming down, but today there is a very good opportunity regarding the gold. We are watching it short, but thing is that we have to wait for that opportunity. See, still waiting for the gold trade, and our buy stop taking out, our range hasn't mentioned, so we will wait for the gold trade as well, and we will also mention in the video as well if we got the trade. But there are the hundred of chances that we will get the trade from gold, so definitely we will generate that trade in my premium section as well, and you will also watch that trade, because I wanna tell you about the reality as well. So we are watching the specific pair like Nasdaq, S&P, US 30, crypto, gold, and the major pair. There is no need to go with the all. Don't watch the all the pairs as well, because you can make the losses. So very easy. So last and AUD USD, not a good trade, and USD-Jpy. And so here we go. You can see we are near to 4-hour candle high as per our rules. Guys, keep in mind, you will be funded. Once you join us, you will be funded. Keep in mind, there is no need to worry about that. But you have to follow us completely. If you not follow us completely, then definitely the losses will be for you, because it's not mean that if you join us, then you will be profit. No, if you follow us completely, then you will not be in loss. It's our guarantee. But you have to follow us. Nobody tell you that. If you want to trade live like other, then you can, I will share the Zoom link, and you will also make the trade live section with us. You will see my trades, you can copy my trades.